How to activate MBNA credit card online 2024. Got your new MBNA credit card and ready to activate it? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to activate your MBNA credit card online in 2024. Open your browser and go to the official MBNA website at www.mbna.ca. If you already have an MBNA online account, click on the sign in button at the top right of the page. Enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, look for the Activate a Credit Card option under the Account Services tab, or you might see it as a banner on the home page. You'll be prompted to enter your new MBNA credit card number, expiry date, and the 3-digit security code found on the back of the card. To ensure security, you may be asked to verify your identity by answering security questions or providing additional personal information. After entering your details and completing the verification process, click Activate. Once activated, you'll receive a confirmation message on your screen. Your MBNA credit card is now ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully activated your MBNA credit card online. Now you can start using it the right way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.